It is time to start the Figma tutorial for beginners. Yes, we are going to design and create a prototype of Spotify mobile application. As you can see here you can see multiple interactions, animations, and stuff like this. All cool stuff that is necessary for learning Figma. Keep it up and continue watching this video. Hello guys, this is Mohammad, a product designer. I'm super excited to start this course to share my knowledge with you. Me and Sahar are UI UX designers that we decided to share our experience, share what we know about Figma with you friends. So to help you people to become a designer and get a start your design career. Let's jump in and write Figma. So for getting started, simply we use Figma. If you are no experience of working with Figma or any design tool, it's great to get started with here. Simply go to figma.com. Here we have a big sign up button. Click on it, enter your email and password, or just sign up with Google. Simple as it, very quick and easy. Okay, let's jump in our prototype. We have what we want to do in this course, creating this Spotify application with the super simple things in Figma. We are gonna have a lot of fun with doing and designing it step by step together. So don't worry if you don't have any idea to get a start design this application. So we have our home. We can click on this section, for example. Here we're gonna go to our playlist. We can hit on the play, show us our playing stuff, and simple as this. We have also search page which have a lot of effects and gradients. So let me show you what I wanted to do. Okay, so at the first, this course is about learning a design tool. So we want to start with the simple things. You may ask us a question, why we want to start design or creating an application that already exists. Well, because one of the best ways to become a better UI designer is coping with great design. So while designing Spotify app, we will learn to pay attention to details in that and make your mind ready to think and design professional apps based on this experience. So we want to make the process a little bit simpler, of course. So you can grab these images from App Store, and then we want to choose a color palette for designing our wireframes. So wireframe is basically based on these images we have here. We do it with rectangle, basic shapes, super easy. And then we want to have this final UI design. We have a lot of cool things here, gradients, icons. Even we learn how to design an icon for some section like here. It's super simple with Figma, we can do it. How to find icons, images very fast and quickly, and just design this in Figma. Very great. I can't wait to get started this course. Have a fun and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe our channel, and put a comment and let us know what do you think about this course, and let's jump in.